Hi guys, so I just went to my orthodontist appointment and now we are at HomeSense. Let me rest you guys on here so you guys can see. We're at HomeSense and we are doing Rabbit Makeover 2.0. I'm not giving my actual rabbit a makeover. I am giving his area a makeover. So if you guys, that's like a metaphor for my life. So if you guys have watched my previous episode of giving my bunny a home makeover, we definitely updated it a lot, but there are still some things we want to improve. We are going to go back and give my rabbit Ollie a home makeover. What, does this sound ridiculous? This is what we have so far. This, yeah, it's a little wool rug. It'll fit really nicely in his area. And then we are going to do, oh, this has a little leaf on it.
Yeah, so it's like a little tree.
That's so cute. We have this little thing. Okay. No, this is so, no, this is cute. I don't know what to get that will match that. Like, what will match this? Oh my god, he does not need those expensive Turkish bath towels. We just got to IKEA and we are going to buy the little doll bed for Ollie that I wanted, so we're gonna go do that. So we got the bed. It is the duct tape bed. Okay, so behind me, as you guys can see, is our HomeSense haul. So I want to show you guys what we got from HomeSense before I put it all up, and then a few random things. We got one of these bags this year from HomeSense. It's a gift sack, so it has a little Santa thing on it. It says a special delivery, and I actually knitted a blanket as a gift, so we are going to be putting this in this bag because honestly, like, how do you even wrap that? Another great thing about these is that they're reusable. And then so you can buy a bunch of these, like you can buy like 4, 5, 6 of them. Every member of your family can get one, and that way you guys don't have to like use gift wrap and save some money there. Also, it's a little bit more environmentally friendly. It's a good idea, I think, and they have a bunch of those at HomeSense. The next thing we got are some towels for Ollie. We like to put these on his sofa and his little bed and everything, just because he could be a little messy sometimes, and these are really easy to wash, and plus they're really soft. Rabbits really like to put their feet on soft things. They don't like hardwood or tile or anything like that. So dish towels, and we got them in black so that way they look better over time and they won't stain or anything. And then we also got from HomeSense this rug. So we got 2 of these rugs, and that is going to replace the carpeting under his little space. These were about $20 each. And they definitely go with the whole jute rug situation I have in the rest of the studio down here. So I think that this will look really, really good. And then we also got him a pet home. Where's the pet home? So this is the pet home my mom picked out. This one is by a brand called Nan Dog, and it was $29.99. So a very premium pet home. So it has a little leaf here, but I think it'll look really good with all like the nature tones and stuff. So this will replace the old blue one that we used to have, and I think he's gonna really like it. Rabbits really like hiding in little places like this. This is just random stuff, but I got more ornaments for the tree. These were 2 for $12.99, and I got a bunch of pandas because I think that these are really cute, and plus they remind me of Asia. And then we also got 2 more. We got a koala for absolutely no reason, but I just think he's very cute and he's brushy just like the rest of them. Also, after looking at this, I'm thinking maybe it's not a koala. We're thinking now it's a mouse, but it has no tail. So sound off in the comments. Is this a koala or a mouse? It's a koala. It's 100% a koala. Look at the nose. I think this is a koala. And then we also got a lion. Lion's one of my favorite animals. I am a Leo, so I think that this is very cute. This was $4.99. I showed you guys the bed already. I'll show you it again once I assemble it and all that. Trying to find where like I'm halfway home. I don't always do what I know I'm supposed to.
You make me feel like I'm getting closer. Last night we said we knew this was the end. Woke up, came right back to do it again. Blew in from nowhere like dust in the wind. Waiting for the sun to fade.
Lovely.
But then
so this is the before of Ollie's place. This is what it looked like after we were done the last home makeover for him. But obviously all this crap wasn't there and stuff. But we ended up having to put this bed here instead of a little dome because the dome just got really ruined, and then the crate ended up here. But he really likes this litter. It's from IKEA. I feel like there's a huge difference once we started using this litter box, and then he's on his sofa right now. So the plan is to change all the carpeting in here, and then I have a new little bed for him. This is like my old doll bed, but yeah, and then we have some new little linens and stuff. And I think he's going to be really happy with it. Ollie, are you excited for your home makeover? Excited? We are going to keep the gallery wall I made for him above his sofa. And yep, here we go, Ollie. Let's go.
Dreaming of places that we've never been. Wasted, we're vagrants with all of our friends. Waiting for the sun to fade out. But I've been touching roads. I've been traveling, thoughts unraveling, turning into pros. Wandered out to see water alchemy, turn that into gold. Honey's in the streets. Tell my Uber when he come to school me, keep Miggles on repeat. So we just let it ride. I as hell off something I won't specify. Fuck a band, keep my foreign objects unidentified. In the sky, going no one's gone like it's the Enterprise. Levitated outside heaven's gate to try and testify. I know that I'm different, I'm not tripping, I'm just noticing. I've been writing scripture, every picture that I'm posing in. Like I can see the future in the distance. So don't you worry, I'm not gonna miss it at all. All of these moments, I make the most of. Trying to find where I belong. I just wanna feel like I'm getting closer. Like I'm halfway home. I don't always do what I know I'm supposed to. Trying to find where I belong. But you make me feel like I'm getting closer. Like I'm halfway home. All of these moments, trying to find where I belong. I just wanna feel like I'm halfway home. I don't always do what I know I'm supposed to. Trying to find where I belong. You make me feel like I'm getting closer. Like I'm halfway home.
Okay guys, so he gets this little corner of the studio, and I decided to hang some lights up there. I get festive, and I think that the carpet made a really big difference because it matches this carpet right here. So if you look here, I just have some of his toys out. This is his food bowl, which actually we need to fill. There's Ollie, already happy about this whole setup. I put his Christmas trees here. I got these last year from Michael's. They were in my room last year, but this year they are Ollie's. And then the black little towels actually really matched well. And then his little extra home here, he likes lots of places to hide. And then I think that this is just really, really nice. And I think he'll like lying on it as well. And then you go up here. All these are from, I think Canadian Tire or somewhere like that. I got them. They're technically for the Christmas tree, but this little bench is actually from IKEA. So technically you can sit on it and stuff like that. And I think that's what it's actually meant for, or to put plants on. But it's Ollie's little area and it looks very, very nice. And yeah, the sofa is also from IKEA. This is like the pet sofa. And then we have his little tube here, which actually matches really well. And then his little gallery wall here, that's him in his Hawaiian shirt. And then this little light is actually from my old room. So that is also from IKEA, but we decided to put it down here in case he needs a little bit more light. Ollie, what do you think of your home makeover? He seems pretty content. Well guys, that is the end of Vlogmas Day 6. Subscribe for more because I'm uploading every single day up until Christmas Eve, like I have been. I've been on a roll actually this week. I'm proud of myself. But anyway, I am going to go. Ollie and I say goodbye. Ollie, tell people to subscribe. Bye. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Keep breathing in, dreaming of places that we've never been. Wasted where vagrants with all of our friends, waiting for the sun to fade out. But I've been touching roads, I've been traveling.